According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the Global Horizontal Directional Drilling (HDD) market, valued at USD 7.59 billion in 2023, is projected to reach USD 23.11 billion by 2032, growing at an impressive CAGR of 13.4% from 2024 to 2032. Horizontal directional drilling is a trenchless technology widely used for the installation of underground pipelines, cables, and conduits with minimal disruption to the surface. Its ability to reduce environmental impact and lower project costs has made HDD a preferred method in industries such as oil and gas, telecommunications, and utilities. The increasing demand for energy and the expansion of pipeline infrastructure are significant drivers of market growth. Moreover, the surge in urbanization and rising investments in smart cities are boosting the adoption of HDD for utilities and broadband deployment. Technological advancements in drilling equipment, such as automated systems and enhanced drill bits, are further propelling the market forward. Horizontal directional drilling, or HDD, is a game changer in the construction and utility industries. Imagine drilling underground without disturbing the surface. No messy excavation, no traffic disruptions. HDD uses a specialized drill rig to create a horizontal borehole, allowing us to install pipelines, cables, and conduits with precision. The process starts with a pilot hole, guided by a locator that ensures accuracy. Once the pilot is in place, we expand the hole using reamers, making it wide enough for the installation. This technique is not just efficient, it's also environmentally friendly, minimizing the impact on the landscape. With HDD, we can navigate around obstacles like rivers or roads, making it ideal for urban settings. It's fascinating how technology allows us to work smarter, not harder, while keeping our infrastructure hidden and intact. Horizontal directional drilling truly represents the future of underground construction. For sample request, copy click link in description box. Thank you.